Got the grill all clean, ready for the summer. I love cooking out for my family, and I'm gonna put my little silicone thing on. Oh, it's stuck over top of it. Keeps it nice and clean. Stuff is. I've had this since last year, guys. That's the problem.
What kind of grill is it?
It is a Blackstone 36-inch 4-burner grill. I love Blackstones because you cook so much on it and variety of stuff. My other one wasn't like this, y'all.
So you've had a Blackstone before?
Yeah, I have a smaller Blackstone we take in our motor home. So I used that here for a while, but it just isn't big enough.
So you know these mats are good.
I know these mats are good. They keep your grill nice and clean. They don't let it get dirty when you're not using it. And when you get ready to use it, you just take it all right off and store it in the shelf underneath. See, perfect fit. And all your cooking surfaces are kept clean.
So you don't cook on that, you take it off and then cook.
Yes.
That's just a protective
Take
one.
it right off, roll it up, and then put it back on after you're finished cooking.
So you like it?
I love it.
You'd recommend it?
I'd recommend it.
Perfect.
Yeah.